Oil prices have suddenly declined at the same pace they were rising recently. The thing is that the previous rally of oil was supported mainly by hopes for swift demand recovery as global economies are getting better after the coronavirus pandemic. It is highly likely that the demand could return to the pre-crisis levels. Yet this is just one factor to determine crude prices, and the other one is the supply side that we still have to monitor. Surprisingly, these and other factors pushed the Russian ruble higher. But is it really all that good? Yesterday, Brent crude hit a key resistance level at $70 per barrel. As a result, the price stopped there and pulled back later. Therefore, the number of long positions on Brent has declined. Still, the price is following its ascending trajectory in the range of $66.50 to $70 a barrel. It is recommended to trade on a breakout of this channel in either direction. Meanwhile, for North American crude WTI, the actual trading channel is found between $57.30 and $68 per barrel. It is hard to say exactly, but the price is likely to go through a slight correction, and then it may rebound back to the previous levels. All this will be happening today amid current news background and important economic releases in the US. In the session on Tuesday, the ruble managed to strengthen against the US dollar in its fourth session in a row. As a result, the pair returned to the level of May 10th, where the recent pivot point was found. The dollar-ruble pair is likely to stay in the price range between 73.50 and 73.80. This will be the main area for fluctuations in the market. In other words, two trading scenarios are possible, either a breakout or a pullback from the mentioned levels. In the meantime, the ruble has been losing ground against the euro in the past few days. However, the changes are minor and the pair is still stuck in the range between 89.10 and 89.50 rubles per euro. As for the trading method, it is better to consider a breakout of either boundary of the trading channel. After the ruble has reached its highest levels in the past 2 months, a downward movement has started. The pace of decline is slow, but the direction is already clear. This may be explained by technical factors or even dynamics in oil prices. Yet the macroeconomic factor, such as inflation, seems the real reason for the decline. It has been reported recently that the pace of inflation could accelerate in May, which means that the Bank of Russia may raise its interest rate once again. This decision may affect the recovery of the local economy, so this is the actual factor that has been pushing the ruble down. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and have a nice trading day. Bye.